Hello, in this video we will learn how to use COUNTIF with wildcards in Excel. I have a large data sets and I can see you that there are 438 rows in this data set. So I want to search that how many times the word Nawaz have been used in the C column. So for this you need to use wildcard COUNTIF functions. So first you need to do is equal to and then type COUNTIF, open the parenthesis and then select the range. You need to press Ctrl Shift and down arrow key to select the entire column and then comma, give the space bar, double quote and then asterisk and type the word Nawaz and then again asterisk. Asterisk means find the any word match with the word Nawaz and then double quote and close the parenthesis and then enter. And here you can see that the 96 times the Nawaz word have been used in the C columns. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video and think that helpful, please share my video and support my channel. Thank you very much.